Hey guys, welcome back to another Did You Know video where we go through some of the best features of our most popular photo and video lighting products and accessories. In this one, we'll be taking a closer look at the Godox V1. We want to know if you've been enjoying this new series, Did You Know, and if it's been handy for you guys to get the lowdown on all the features of our most popular products. Feel free to leave down in the comment section below your thoughts and any suggestions or perhaps recommendations for the next product that we should use for this series. Thanks for watching guys, subscribe to us for more photo and video equipment reviews just like this. Follow us on Facebook and Instagram at Hypop and hashtag HypopFeatures, and visit our website hypop.com.au. Let's get into it. Did you know that the Godox V1 round head flash features a magnetic mounting point here to support the Godox AKR1 accessory kit? The AKR1 accessory kit includes a bunch of different lighting modifiers for round head flashes, including the V1 and the H200R for the AD200 or the AD200 Pro. An example of this would be the diffuser dome here, which has 4 magnetic mounting points and simply attaches to the top there or to the front of the round head flash. The AKR1 also includes a collapsible snoot, a bounce card, color temperature inserts, which cover your color temperature warm all the way up to your cool color temperatures, honeycomb grids, and barn doors. Did you know that the Godox V1 is different to a standard traditional Speedlite? It's obvious with its round flash head shape there compared to a standard traditional flash. It also features those magnetic mounting points allowing you to use the AKR1 accessory kit. The round flash head offers a round catchlight, which means for a more even distribution of light, which allows it for more softer images when you're using your flash. It also features a locking knob, which is a slide and locking knob compared to the turning style locking knob, which means that there's just less risk of you having to damage your hot shoe, as well as any mounting points or failure points there when mounting it to a stand. There's also a battery size increase. So this increase here is 2200 milliamps as compared to the 2000 milliamps on the V862. Because it is a stronger flash, you only get 480 full power output shots compared to the 650 on the V862, although you are getting more output with the Godox V1. Did you know that the Godox V1 features a modeling lamp that's built into the round flash head? This is not usually available in traditional Speedlite flashes. To turn this on, simply press the little bulb icon which is on the right side of the scroll wheel, press down on it once, then press down on the center button. That turns on the modeling lamp, and you can step through 10 different levels of intensity for the modeling lamp. The modeling lamp's used to get focus in low light situations. Did you know that the Godox V1 has an inbuilt receiver that supports the 2.4 GHz X wireless system by Godox? So that means it supports the X1 trigger, the X2 trigger, as well as the X Pro trigger. All you need to do is simply set your channel and group and pair that up with your actual trigger. And once they're matching, you should be able to control that wirelessly through your trigger to fire off your flash. Did you know that the Godox V1 supports the new S-type bracket by Godox, which is called the S2? Previous models of the S-type bracket only fit traditional size Speedlights. The new S2 specifically is made for the V1 with the round head flash, so you can mount that directly to your S-type bracket and also mount a range of different lighting modifiers, including softboxes, barn doors, beauty dishes, and more. Did you know that the Godox V1 features a round head, which means that it offers a more natural, softer, Catchlight compared to a standard traditional flash. Did you know that the Godox V1 has a larger angle range in terms of the flash head? So you can actually move this from -7 degrees all the way up to 120 degrees. This is great for if you're bouncing this off the ceiling, if you're in an indoor event, or if you're an indoor photographer, that's perfect for that. Whereas in comparison, a traditional Speedlite only has that 90-degree range. That was just a few quick tips about the Godox V1 round head flash. If you're wanting to know more about the flash, we have an unboxing and review video, which we'll link up above and in the description down below. For more videos just like this, subscribe to our channel, visit our website, hypop.com.au, and follow us on Facebook and Instagram @Hypop. Thanks for watching.